Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Protected. My name is Eric, and in today's episode I'm going to be talking to you about the most important tool for a paint protection film installation. No, it's not a squeegee. It's also not a knife. It's a heat gun. You're probably thinking, why is a heat gun the most important tool that you could be using when you're installing paint protection film? At the end of the day, the heat gun's not going to squeegee the PPF into place onto the vehicle. But the heat gun, it's going to help ensure that once the PPF is on, that it's going to stay on and that it's not going to come off. Post-heating, in fact, we just did a whole video about this. We just filmed it with this GMC Sierra. That video is going to be up next week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you guys can see that video. But in that video, I talk about, one of the things I talk about is the importance of post-heating paint protection film. This is something that people or paint protection film installers often overlook, and they skip this step. They just install the film, they squeegee your edges down, and they send it out the door. However, that heat gun, that's like your own in-house insurance policy to make sure that your paint protection film install, once it's out the door, it's not going to come back because the edges are lifting. In fact, I had some photos sent in to us from a viewer of the channel who had her Lexus wrapped with paint protection film, and it's peeling everywhere. And I can guarantee you the shop that installed the paint protection film, they did not use a heat gun and go around their edges. Had they, I would have never got the pictures, and we would not have a frustrated customer. So super short video, but if you're installing paint protection film and you're not using a heat gun, what are you waiting for? Get a heat gun. You can pick them up for under $100. They last a long time, and it's the cheapest form of insurance that you can possibly give to your customers when they're spending thousands of dollars with you for a professional installed paint protection film job, that when that vehicle goes out the door, they're not coming back with lifted edges, fingers, all that type of stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.